This module demonstrates CTD's overall reporting capabilities. This includes the risk assessment, assets, insights, activity log, and OT audit reporting functions. CTD has a number of easy-to-use reporting functions that allow you to collate needed data and deliver it to the relevant personnel easily and quickly. In all cases, report generation is automatic and faster than an attempt to generate the same reports manually. There are 6 general report subcategories in CTD. These allow you to generate specific reports relating to hardware assets, cyber event alerts, system activity logging, baselines, risk and vulnerability insights, and overall OT auditing. The general report subcategories are complemented by a large number of predefined report templates in CTD's reporting section. The predefined templates include reporting topics like inactive assets from the last week, top risky assets, assets with unpatched CVEs, and assets changed IP in the last month, among others. In addition to the general categories, CTD can also generate comprehensive risk assessment reports. These can be downloaded or enhanced with any supplementary details you may want to add. Almost all of the general report categories are created using the Create Scheduled Report option on the relevant major page. Many of the reports can also be scheduled to run periodically and can also be delivered through email. If needed, most of them can also be generated instantly on demand. A comprehensive risk assessment report starts with an overall network summary before moving on to deeper detail. These reports also provide a network hygiene score, which shows the cumulative risk level that all current alerts, security insights, and assets pose to the system. If a risk assessment report is read within CTD, an on-screen menu is provided to help the reader navigate the report. If the report is generated at an EMC and includes data for all connected sites, the data shown in the report is an aggregation of all data from all CTD sites connected to the EMC. In cases like this, some graphs, such as top communicators and protocol distributions, will not be shown in the report, since this information does not apply when it is viewed from an EMC. We've started off at the CTD dashboard. Next, we'll be going to the Visibility section and Assets subsection. You can generate a report covering selected hardware assets or all assets. If you want a comprehensive report, leave the Assets list unfiltered. To narrow down the list, filter the asset list by class, type, vendor, or another attribute. Then click the 3 vertical dots to open the Options menu and click Create Scheduled Report. In the Create Report dialog, give the report a name and description, then choose its format. Next, decide who the report must be shared with, append any relevant information to the email body. Then, using the recurrence controls, decide if and when the report must be automatically resent, and click Create. For risk and vulnerability insights, the same method applies. Navigate to the relevant section, click the vertical dot to open the Options menu, and click Create Scheduled Report. The same also applies for cyber event alerts. These reports can also be instantly downloaded as CSV or PDF files. Baseline reports can also be scheduled or instantly downloaded. As I said earlier, you can use the OT audit tool to produce a summary of every OT-related behavior that happened in your site over the previous 7 days. This is done to visualize specific operations that take place within the network. Event types that are recorded include configuration downloads, uploads, online edits, and many other types. OT audits can also be scheduled or instantly downloaded. These reports are especially useful for OT engineers who want to monitor only their day-to-day activities, which usually consist of monitoring OT lifecycles and operations. Activity log reports contain a list of all actions that have been taken on the site. Because activities on CTD tend to run to extremely high numbers, these reports can be quite large. Like most of the others, activity reports can also be scheduled or instantly downloaded. CTD also has mass reporting capabilities. What this page is showing is CTD's list of predefined report templates. These are complemented by a large number of predefined report templates in CTD's reporting section. The predefined templates include reporting topics like CTD inactive assets from last week, CTD top risky assets, CTD assets with unpatched CVEs, and CTD assets changed IP in the last month, among many others. All of these report templates are fully functional out of the box, but all of them can also be edited to suit individual needs, and all reports can easily be shared with whoever needs them. In addition to the general categories we've just looked at, CTD can also generate comprehensive risk assessment reports. This report can be downloaded as is, or you can enhance it with any supplementary details you may want to add before downloading it. Note that this report cannot be scheduled. It can only be generated instantly for viewing or downloaded. To do this, we'll click the View button. The report always starts with a network hygiene score detected by CTD for your site. There is no need to explain the entire report in detail, as it's quite intuitive and simple to read, even if you're not a networking or cybersecurity specialist. Any person can use this report to take security-related actions and to review what progress has been made within a period of time. With that, we conclude the section on CTD's reporting capabilities, and thank you for your time.